9.6 trigonometric equation. We want to solve cos x equal to negative 0.4. Okay, so before we solve this kind of question, we must know that all sine teacher crazy. Okay, and then this is theta, this is 180 minus theta, this is 180 plus theta, and this is 360 minus theta. Okay, why does it happen? Is because if we have an angle here, theta here, so the angle, this one, I call this theta as the basic angle. So for the first quadrant, the basic angle is theta. Then for the second quadrant, is actually 180 minus theta. And then for the third quadrant, is actually 180 plus the theta. And last, for the fourth quadrant, it is 360 minus theta. Okay, so for this question, cos negative. So ASTC, cos positive is the first and the fourth quadrant. So this will be the second and the third quadrant. So for this kind of question, I will say that I will ask the student to find the basic angle, that is the arc cos of 0.4. Okay, so arc cos of 0.4, we have the arc cos 0.4. Okay, then this is 66.42. Okay, 66.4 degree. Okay, we write one decimal place is enough already. Okay, so when we find the basic angle, okay, this one, to find the basic angle, no need to put the negative, okay, sign. Okay, you just have the arc cos 0.4 is enough. Then we will have the x. X will be what? Will be the 180. This one is 180 minus theta, and this will be the 180 plus theta. So we have the 180 minus this. So the answer is 113. And we have the 180 plus. Then the answer is 246. So the value of x will be 113.6 degree and 246.4 degree. So after you get the answer, you want to check your answer, then you can do it this way. You have the cos of 113.6, okay, is close to negative 0.4. And then at the same time, we have the cos of the 246.4, so it's also close to the negative 0.4. Okay, so this is how I solve this kind of problem. But in the Cambridge workbook, a course book, they use the other method, but I will prefer use this method. Okay, for this question, okay, I find the basic angle using 0.4 without the negative sign, because we want to find the basic angle. So for this case, okay, for this example, the basic angle here is actually 66.4, and this is also 66.4, and this is also 66.4 degree. Okay, since we know that it is in the second quadrant and the third quadrant, so this one is actually the 113.6 degree, and then this third quadrant is the 246.4 degree. Okay, if let's say I use the this one, I use the 360 minus. Okay, so instead of this, we have the 360 minus the basic angle is 293. So this is 4 on the fourth quadrant. So for 4 on the fourth quadrant, so if I use the calculator, okay, to find the cos for this value, so I have the cos of 293.6, then is 0.4 without the negative. Okay, so the question here This one is actually negative. We have a negative here, negative 0.4. So you substitute the value of 113 and the 246, then it will come return you negative 0.4. Okay, so this will be the second and the third quadrant. And the first and the last quadrant will give you 0.4. Okay, so this one we have the cos of 66.4 is also return the 0.4. Okay, we have some rounding error, so they don't come out uh 0.4. Okay, exactly 0.4. Okay,